How many women can say that they are comfortable in their own skin? The media today has an effect on a person's body image in negative and positive ways. A few statistics will enlighten us in the way many women perceive themselves. 80% of women say that images of women on television and in movies, fashion magazines, and advertising makes them feel insecure. 42% of girls, 1st to 3rd grade, want to be thinner. Approximately 91% of women are unhappy with their bodies and resort to dieting to achieve their ideal body shape. Unfortunately, only 5% of women naturally possess the body type often portrayed by Americans in the media. There are many forms of media that shape the way we view ourselves and others. Different fashion and fitness magazines have their own viewpoints of what looks good and what doesn't. The movies that are watched on TV also set standards of perfect body images. Studies show that the more reality television a young girl watches, the more likely she is to find appearance important. One of the newest and growing forms of media, social media, a similar standard is set to affect body image as well as self-esteem. For example, on Facebook, a person may value their worth based upon how many likes and friends they have. Viewing media in this way is very damaging to a person's character. The ultimate price that viewers pay when trusting their worth and value by what is portrayed on most media venues are low self-esteem, acceptance, comparing with others, which leads to eating disorders, depression, and interruption of sleep cycles. Our immediate reaction may be to just stop viewing, reading, or listening to media. This could be a smart play, but it's not necessarily the fix. Because when you come back to social media or any other form of media, the problem may still be there. There are other types of social media or other media avenues that can help. For example, AlreadyPretty.com is a website designed by Sally McGraw. She uses her blog to remind women of their value and real self-image. In her blog, she mentions Center for Young Women's Health as a tool to help struggling youth with bad body image. And their mission is to help teen girls, parents, educators, and health care providers improve the understanding of normal health and development. The other positive media is Rookie Magazine, which is a magazine online focused for youth. DoSomething.org is a movement campaign for youth in regards to body image. And Charlotte Smarty Pants also offers different forms of resources that will help youth and women with their body image. There are also books, Real Courageous and Nobody's Perfect, that helps teach children and youth that everybody is different and bodies come in all shapes and forms. Another great resource I found was a nonprofit organization called Beauty Redefined. This was co-founded by two twins, 32 years old, who both hold PhD degrees. Specifically, their education is geared on social media and body image. And their motto is, women are made more than just bodies, or more than just bodies. See more, be more. And they actually offer a course that helps the youth and women with their body image. Ultimately, being more literate with the media, great information can be accessed and shared with other women and youth who feel alone and out of place in their so-called imperfect bodies.